Hello, and welcome to Otonabee-South Monaghan Public Library, Keene Branch Story Time. I have a wonderful book written by Sarah Dillard, and it's called I Don't Like Rain. Well, this is a book that talks about me because I don't like rain at all. I don't like rain. And it's published by Aladdin Publishing. There's a cute little bunny. And look what Bunny's doing. He's picking up a pine cone. And those are birch trees. Oh, what a lovely little forest area. And Bunny says, "Who wants to play?" "I do," says Squirrel. "I do," says Bunny. "I do," says Mouse. "I do," says Fox. I do, and Hedgehog says I do too. Oh, he's got a lot of friends to play with. No! No! Oh my goodness! No! See the clouds? That's a rain cloud. It's going to rain! Oh dear. It's going to rain. I like rain. I don't. I don't, says Raccoon. I don't, says Chipmunk. I don't, says Mouse. I don't, says Skunk. I don't, says Hedgehog. I don't, says Fox. Nobody likes the rain. What's wrong with rain? Uh-oh. I wonder what's wrong with rain. Drip, drip, drop. Drip, drip, drop on his nose. Drip, 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 drip. Uh-oh, it starts off little, and look at how much is raining now. My goodness, that poor bunny rabbit's going to get soaked. Oh, the poor bunny. Look at how much it's raining. And he's getting soaked. Poor bunny. Oh, I don't like rain. Look at the rain's coming down and it's whooshing all over the place. So Bunny's on his way home. Drip, 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 drop. So he's taking off his wet shirt. Plop, flop. When will it stop? It's just pouring out there. When will it stop? Oh, do you see what he's seeing? Oh, look at that birdie's happy. It's singing in the rain. Splash, 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 splash. I like rain, said Bunny, and the birdie's dancing with him. Who wants to play? I do, I do, I do, I do, I do. Look at all the animals that want to play in the rain. There's all kinds of them. Do you see them all? Oh, they're so cute. Splash, splash, goes Raccoon. Splash, Squirrel. Splash, 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 says Fox. Splash, the Skunk. Splash, 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 the Hedgehog. He's got an umbrella. Splash, splash, splash. Splash, 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 splash. Look at, they're having a splash parade. That looks like fun. Splash, splash, drip, 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 drip. Oh no. It stopped. Oh dear, they look sad because the rain stopped. Oh! Look at the look of surprise on their face. Oh! I wonder what they see. Oh, rain. And look at a beautiful rainbow. This is a lovely book. And as I said, I really am not a big fan of rain because I find rain rather cold. But some people love to play in the rain, or after the rain, they go puddle hopping, where they can get all kinds of wet. So I'd like to sing this song, and it's called Rain is Falling Down. And it's really cute. I really like this. Rain is falling down, splash. Rain is falling down, splash. Pitter patter, rain is falling down, splash. Sun is peeking out, peek. Sun is peeking out, peek. Peeking here, peeking there, sun is peeking out, peek. It's a great song for you to sing with your little one, especially when we are allowed to go grocery shopping and it takes us just a little while longer than what we're doing right at this moment. This is a great song to entertain your child as you're going along looking for stuff. It keeps them busy. Children love to sing. They love music. So this would be good for them. And another song that I really, really enjoy is the Itsy Bitsy Spider. Are we ready? The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. So we're talking about rain. Now, rain also helps grow all kinds of wonderful things, especially in April. They always say April showers bring May flowers. And this is a wonderful time of year to get ready for spring. I can hardly wait till spring gets here. With all the new flowers and the new buds on the trees, it'll be wonderful. I hope you have a wonderful day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now.